And my name's Juicy, and I am a toothbrush. I am exactly 482 bristles old. I came in a 4-pack.
Yay!
What's the food like here? What's good?
I know. Oh, no. No. Hey, don't order the burrito, dog. I don't think I'm gonna make it. McDonald's burritos are terrible. I gotta take a full. Oh, fuck!
School called today and told us that Jeffy passed 4th grade!
No way. Not a chance.
There's no way he passed 4th grade.
You know what that means?
What?
Yay!
Kind of go backwards a little bit and then just go when I can. Here we go. That's it. That's it. That's the one. That is the one. Okay, no.
The lead. I'm taking the charge right now. I'm gonna show you guys who the king of VR horror is. Dad! No!
He's a magical pony flying through the sky on a magical
Shoot it down.
Status. It's no good, Skipper. I don't know the codes. Don't give me excuses. Give me results. Navigation. All right. Let me see. And shut him up.
I did it!
Wait. How long was the timer on that thing?
Hello. 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 Oh no.
In my medical opinion, that is a stupid act! What?